Okay guys, I wasn't going to be making this video, but I felt it was absolutely necessary that consumers know about the quality control over at American Craftsman by Ply Gem. The window you see here, I purchased a couple of weeks ago. It's a custom size. It's an impact window, Series 70. And I put in my window bucks. You can see the wood that goes around the edge of the window, along the top over there, down along the bottom. Tap-conned into the concrete, everything is plumb. And then when I put the window in, I noticed right away a huge space at the top, and at the bottom corner over there, there's also a space that should not be there, because the windowsill was perfectly level when I checked it, as you can see right here. So I put that window in, and I kept saying, what is going on with this window? An hour and a half went by of me trying to shim things, and then I put the level on the side, going up the window here and up this edge, and it was perfectly plumb. And I said, I can't figure it out. It's perfectly plumb on the sides, but the top is crooked. Turns out when I measured from corner over here and then this direction up to this corner, both dimensions do not match. So now I have to take the only other window I have, which was for over here, and it actually measures correctly, place it over here, and then I'm going to have to wait all over again for this window. Very poor quality control. Let me show you the dimensions just so you know that it's not my work. That's patches. And we're going to go from here to here and measure from here to there. Alright, so what we're going to do, just to show you, this one is actually made correctly. So measure from that corner, hold it right in the center of that point. 68 3/8. Now, you go over here, put it on the point down there, right on the center. 68 3/8. That's a square window. Now wait till you see the one that they screwed up. So measure it right from the corner, hold it right on that point. Center of the point, yep. 68 3/4. Now let's measure, come over here. Do the same thing, right on the center. You're in the middle of the point, right on the center of the point. 68 1/16. It's off by almost 3/4 of an inch. Just so you know, this is not a one-time incident with Ply Gem windows made by American Craftsman, sold at Home Depot. A while back when I was installing all of my impact windows, I had two windows that had a problem with the impact glass. If you look at the single hung window, the top pane, the very bottom edge going up about 2.5 inches, you can see how wavy it is. Look at the road. The road is supposed to be straight. It's not supposed to look like what you see right here. I had two windows that had this exact same problem. I had to remove them once I installed them, get new ones, and swap them out. So there's clearly an issue at American Craftsman Ply Gem windows when it comes to quality control with their products. So right here you can see I took the good window, installed it in this opening, so everything is good here. I am waiting to have an inspection done, and of course by not having the window over here also installed, I can't call for the inspection yet because they need to look at the attachment points before I put all the trim and sealant around each window. Did the company end up doing the right thing, giving me a phone call as well as Home Depot saying we really apologize for the poor quality control and not verifying the dimensions of the window before it was shipped, and we're also going to give you half your money back because there's a big inconvenience now. Your job is stopped in the middle and you also have to wait for the new window to arrive. Did they give me any money back? And did they expedite the new window? Well guys, it's been over 2 weeks and I still do not have the replacement window. No messages about apologizing as well as giving me some sort of a credit for all the time wasted. And then when I found out it was improperly made, I had to bring it back to Home Depot. And now when the new window comes in, I have to go back to Home Depot, pick up the window, and then drop it back off at my house. so I can complete the job. So a good company would have apologized for all this, expedited the window to me, and also given me a huge credit on the window after they replaced it, or even said, the window's on us, we apologize for what happened, and we're going to make big changes at the company to improve quality control. None of that happened, guys, as of yet, and if anything does happen, I'll post updates in the video description area. As of right now, until major changes have taken place in respect to quality control at the plant where these windows are made, I discourage people from purchasing these custom windows made by Ply Gem, American Craftsman, being sold by Home Depot. All it takes is a couple of bad experiences like I've had, and it will definitely turn you off from ordering these windows in the future. When these windows are properly made, they're actually excellent windows, but it's just too much of a hassle to go through swapping out defective ones to get the job done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to rate, thumbs up, and most importantly, share this video. Get it out there. People need to know what to expect when ordering these windows from Home Depot.